Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back with another haul. This one is from SCENTSY. And hopefully they don't come out with any more products that I like because I need to restrict myself. Sorry, Uyi. Uyi is my dedicated consultant for SCENTSY. I will leave her link in the description box below. So I got this is the Villains wax collection. Sorry for all the crinkling. Here we go. So this is the wax I got. It's PIXAR. It smells good. But look at Sully. And then I also got, oh, this is the Villain scents, I think. Yep, this is the Villains wax collection. Evil Queen, Ursula, and Maleficent. Look at, oh, that's cool. Just one bite, it says. One bite and all your dreams will come true. I love the packaging. Oh, look at it. Opens up Maleficent, Mistress of Evil, Ursula, Poor Unfortunate Soul. That's the name of the scents of the wax melts. And oh my gosh, there's like words here, but even with my glasses, I cannot see it. I don't want to break open these boxes. But how cute is this? I might need to craft this. Look at this box. I could make this. Stay tuned. Might have a tutorial coming soon. But oh my gosh. With the belly band. Watch it, SCENTSY. And here's the warmer. Let's move this. Oh, look at the artwork. Love it. This is who I was for Halloween. If you guys didn't see my Instagram, I'll link my Instagram below. You guys can follow me there. I post more here than on my Instagram, but let's see, let's see. If you see my other videos, I got a Tinkerbell Peter Pan SCENTSY warmer a few months ago, and I'll link that video here. And then last month, no, maybe the month before that, I got a Jack Skellington. They had the NBC Nightmare Before Christmas collection, and I'll link that unboxing here. I did get a Winnie the Pooh one. The Winnie the Pooh one as well. That might have been the first one I got. Winnie the Pooh, then Peter Pan or Tinkerbell. Or I might have got those two at the same time. Then the Jack. And now the Villains. But I'll leave the Winnie the Pooh unboxing here. So I already love the dish. It's the Evil Queen Candy Apple. Oh, wow. The light bulb is green. It has like a filter. Here's the filter. Little Mermaid. No, Ariel. Yeah, Ariel and Flounder. That's the mirror. And Maleficent Dragon. So as you can see, it is packaged very well. Because this stuff is all glass. Oh, look at this. Sorry to glare, that it won't do it justice. Oh my goodness. So see those filters come through this, the holes. But this is a beautiful purple color. And there's the base. Oh, let's see if I can plug this in someplace so we can check it out. Do you guys like SCENTSY? I don't like candles. I forget they're burning. I guess this is just as bad because if I don't shut it off, but for whatever reason, I I remember to shut these off. That's gonna be upside down. Oh. So I have to line it up with the correct. There. Ooh. I almost feel like that sits right on top of the bulb, but I guess it doesn't. Look at how cool this is. Yeah, so it was a delayed release, I think. I think it was delayed. Okay, let's see what I can unplug. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so we can get a better view. That's the artwork that comes with the warmer. Okay, shut the light off. Oh, do you like that? Look at that. I love that color. Okay, so I'm going to tip it over. It might rattle a bit, but I'm going to tip it so you can see the impressions. The filters. Oh, you can't really see it good because the thing. Okay, let's see how I can do this. I'm going to take you off the stand and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So you're off the stand. And there you go. Can you see the Evo, the mirror? And then I'll turn it. Well, I guess I gotta turn the whole thing. So it depends on what side you want to have showing. Here's Ursula. Let's see if I can. And then you see Ariel and Flounder in there. Yeah, sorry, my lighting is not good. And then let's turn it more for this is the last freeze. Is that what they're called? Look at the eye, the dragon's eye right there. Do you see it? But yeah, anyway, this is the SCENTSY warmer. Thank you so much, Ui. And like I said, I'll leave her link in the description box below so you guys can go check her out. I'm not sure if these are still available for you guys to be able to get any, but if they are, she's the one who you would be able to check it out with. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. Welcome to my new subscribers and welcome back to those of you returning. For more videos like these, you can see here or here. And until my next video, shakas.